Hey there, welcome to Gaming Basics. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to sign in on Among Us. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. So first of all, open the Among Us app on your computer. Then click on account button. You will see this page. Click on sign in button. It will show you this error. Now to solve this issue, go to Streamlabs OBS. Right-click on Among Us and click on Properties. Click on Updates and click on Always keep this game updated. And also click on Pause background downloads while I am playing. Set the betas to none. Now click on Among Us and click on Play button. It will then start the game. Now click on Sign in button. And as you can see now, you are signed in. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.